If you're looking to make a history cash cow channel, which will be going on in just a few seconds, I want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or if it gets the red light. Subscribe if you want to grow a YouTube channel and make money with YouTube, and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a history niche channel, I want to start off by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Let's go switch over to viewer mode and let's go start investigating on YouTube. Now we have to start to think, what was someone interested in looking up history related content? What would they look up? So as I looked up what happened in World War II, the first 3 picks are not bad options because I don't see a personality behind the video. So I'm just going to go with the second one. Let's go check it out. So the video starts off with some video animations, and that's the great thing about YouTube automation is that you don't necessarily have to show your face, and you could literally come up with any type of animations to include in your type of content. There's some subtitles, there's visual maps that's going to keep the audience engaged in whatever you're trying to show off in your content. There's also most likely a voiceover going on narrating the video so that you can understand the concept a little bit better about what happened in World War II. Now let's go check out the video's performance. As I scroll down, the video itself has over 1.2 million views and the channel itself has over 12.5 million subscribers. Not too shabby, right? Now let's go check out the engagement. This video has over 1,200 comments, so that does mean that people are interacting with the content. Now let's go check out the channel to see what other type of content that they're making. So they do have a section of just Russia and Ukraine conflict, so this is history related about the beef going on with different countries. But they also have related content to just other topics as well, like what happens when you die and how they caught Ted Bundy. But this channel does have a great selection of different history videos, and you could go ahead and go on and do your own research to see the type of videos that they are creating within this channel. They also make YouTube shorts. And the cool thing is that they use whiteboard animations in all of their content. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Comment down below, what do you like to learn most about history? Now let's go check out this channel's monetization. Let's see how much money they're making in ad revenue alone and how many views this channel is getting. So if I go onto this website, I can now see the channel stats. As I scroll down, I can see in the past 30 days, this channel has collected over 121 million views. What a milestone to be hitting. Shout out to the infographic show. And let's see their ad revenue throughout the month. Just by people clicking on their videos, watching ads on their videos, these guys are clocking in close to 500,000. And for their yearly earnings, this channel is collecting close to that 6 million 7-figure mark, which is just crazy. What a life-changing income. Imagine how this income can drastically change your life just for making back in my day type of videos. If you are enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's go see just how easy these videos are to make. Let's go collect our free stock footage. Let's go create some whiteboard animations, and let's go collect our sounds. And no, you do not even need a history degree to make these type of videos. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is easier than taking your history final. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or does it get the red light? I would say that the history niche does get the green light stamp of approval. I say this because there's such an endless amount of topics that you can go over within the history niche. There's so many history facts that you can easily access through the internet and that you can create them into videos. So you'll never run out of video ideas for your type of content. And especially if you can make history fun to watch, there's no doubt about it that you can go viral with many of your videos. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now I would like to advise you guys, use the videos and channels that we went over in this video as inspiration. Try not to copy and be original when you're creating your own content. If you don't think this is the niche for you, don't worry, because we're going to be going over many other niches in future content. But let's say this is the niche for you, you now have 2 options. Option A, you can do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting your time as you're going to try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If you would like access to that step-by-step guide, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be going over the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or if it's going to get the red light. Subscribe to TubeGrade if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out that YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.